Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view send follow request on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Instagram, and if we want to see send follow request on our Instagram account, we need to download our Instagram account information. First thing first, we need to go to our profile, and then we can click on these three lines in the top right and go to your activity. Okay, then you can scroll down until you find this option, download your information. Okay, and then I'm going to click on download or transfer information. Again, since I have logged into multiple accounts on Instagram, I'm going to select one of them. I'm going to select this account, and then we can click on next. And I'm just going to click on some of your information since I'm going to get the information about follow requests, and I'm going to click on that, and we're going to scroll down and then choose the followers and following. Okay, then we can click on next and click on next. Okay, and then we can filter the date range. I'm going to select all time, click on save. And then for the media quality, I'm just going to select the low quality. Then click on create files. Alright, and we just need to wait until the Instagram send us our information about send follow requests. And we will be notified on the Gmail. And I'm just going to click on done. Alright guys, and that's all the way to view send follow requests on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.